Ever stared at your phone, needing to send money to a friend or family member, and felt that familiar pang of frustration? Maybe you're juggling different bank apps, remembering account numbers, or dealing with transfer limits that just don't make sense. We've all been there. In today's fast-paced world, sending money should be as quick and easy as sending a text message, right? But often, it isn't. Traditional banking systems, while reliable, can sometimes feel like they're from another era. And while there are many digital payment solutions out there, not all of them offer the same level of simplicity, speed, or security. You want a solution that cuts through the complexity, allowing you to focus on what matters, getting your money where it needs to go, without the hassle. That's where the Beam app comes in. Imagine a world where you don't need to ask for bank details, where transactions are instant, and where managing your funds is truly effortless. Beam is designed to simplify your financial life, offering a seamless way to send money to anyone, anytime, directly from your phone. It's about more than just transactions. It's about connecting people to their money in the most efficient way possible. So, how exactly do you send money using this game-changing app? Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need the Beam app downloaded on your smartphone. You can find it on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded and opened the app, you'll typically need to sign in or sign up if you haven't already. This usually involves a quick registration process and linking a payment method, such as your debit card or bank account. Now, for the sending part. From your Beam home screen, you'll generally find a prominent Send Money or Send Funds option. Tap on this. Next, you'll be prompted to select your recipient. One of Beam's key advantages is that you don't always need their bank account details. If your recipient is also a Beam user, you can often select them directly from your contacts list within the app, just like you would send a message to a friend. If they aren't, some versions of Beam allow you to send money to a mobile wallet address or even an email, and the recipient will then receive a notification on how to claim the funds. After selecting your recipient, you'll enter the amount you wish to send. Double-check this figure, as transfers are typically instant and can be difficult to reverse. You might also have the option to add a reference or a small message, which is handy for keeping track of your transactions. Finally, you'll be asked to confirm the transfer. This usually involves a review screen showing the amount, recipient, and the payment source you're using, e.g., your linked bank account or card. Once you confirm, often with a PIN or biometrics like Face ID or a fingerprint, the transaction is processed instantly. Your recipient will receive a notification that the money is waiting for them in their Beam app, ready for them to withdraw to their own bank account. It's that simple. Beam also offers features like splitting expenses with multiple receivers, making group payments a breeze. And for those looking for advanced privacy, some versions of Beam incorporate secure blockchain technology, offering untraceable and safe transfers. The beauty of Beam is its focus on user experience, fast, secure, and intuitive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.